Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Jah Cure will be spending Christmas in Amsterdam behind bars, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari soldier. Greetings, 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 and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning into the Deep Roots channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. I know the reggae industry is on the tip of their seat right now, wondering what will be the outcome of I Cure. Reggae superstar Jah Cure will be spending Christmas and New Year's in a Dutch detention facility. Ladies and gentlemen, the prison wall singer has been assigned a public defender, and he will be summoned to appear at the Amsterdam court in an open session January 22nd. On Monday, when he appeared in the court council chamber, Cure's pre-trial detention was extended 83 days. Babylon now release the Cure right now, my family. At the beginning of January 2022, the suspect will be summoned to appear at the Amsterdam court in an open session. Franklin Watimna, press office of the Netherlands Public Prosecutor Service, told the local newspaper here in Jamaica, once he is summoned to an open session, members of the public will be able to attend, and journalists are also able to follow and report on the proceedings. Ladies and gentlemen, the 43-year-old man is suspected of attempt murder, attempted manslaughter, aggravation assault, or attempted aggravated assault. He has a public defender. We don't give his name until the first public hearing. Waterman said, under Dutch law, the total period of pretrial arrest cannot exceed 110 days. 6 days in police custody, 14 days in detention, and 19 days on remand. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Now, court proceedings must begin within this period. The popular singer has been behind bars in the Netherlands for the last 3 weeks following an alleged stabbing incident involving a concert promoter, Nicardo Blake. Cure, whose real name is Siccature, Alcock, was arrested following the incident in Dam Square in the city center of Amsterdam on October 1st. Police reported that they suggested that after the incident, the alleged victim reported the matter on the police. Quickly investigated, the police arrested Jah Cure in Utrecht on October 2nd. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want enough to know. Do you think say that Trini girl lay down there where did I write the music for Cure put some hobby upon him? Because Cure has been in and out, back and front, in the social media, and from that time, he has been acting erratic. But anyway, we now bring it down the voodoo line. What I am pinning it on is Jah Cure's irresponsibility, his immaturity, and his lack of recognition of the opportunity that the Most High have bestowed upon him, and he's wasting a chance. See there, me no know why you want promoter couldn't have for you to take out knife and joke, man. Me no inna it, me no inna it, me no inna it. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari soldier. Just checking in for my Rasta brethren, because it seems from the court master take over the news and take over the internet. Nobody no report for nothing else. But I'm telling you here at Deep Roots TV, I Cure is in a world of legal fight right now. Cause over here so in Amsterdam, them no deal with no play deal. So, me no know how I'm gonna work it out. But I'm reporting here, ladies and gentlemen, from Deep Roots TV, that Jah Cure is on attempted murder trial in Amsterdam, and it's set for January of 2022. So the reggae star will be spending Christmas and New Year in the Dutch detention facility. Like say him didn't like the jail thing, cause I him like the hype thing. Because you know say black people love you when you're down, when you lock up. Now people will come to you. But right now, people are changing the opinion of you because you have been caught once. You have been caught twice. You wanted to be 3 times like you're a lady. And a lot of people lost respect for you because of the way that you dealt with the entertaining world and the little boys and girl. And also, the selector them in the dance hall. Enough people like to see them frenemy, them demise. So listen up, people. I want to never send a good word of prayer. Leave your comment on this wire. Yeah, the Approach TV. The Cure is in a legal battle for his life, ladies and gentlemen. And he is now in Netherlands. And unlike him there, Jamaica, when can buy out the prison sentence. No. What the judge say in the Netherlands, that is what you going to have to go. Me just wait for the sentence to see if them find you guilty, brother. So I could report on it. And more news from me on the Approach TV. When you get your chance in life, you better shine bright. Like Rihanna said, shine bright like a diamond. You can't act dark. Go all over the world. Even in the time of pandemic, you perform. The girl them love you, left and right. But they look like say you love them and them were in a jail. Listen, like Adi say, you can't get shun a prison. So if you are end up in a prison and you're the outer road, where you can show up on people in your brand new car and your nice Italian Versace or whatever them call it, and you Italian this and your big house them, and you want to go sit down in a prison with manslaughter concrete thing, you're mad, man. I'm Rastafari soldier, ladies and gentlemen, reporting there is no bail for Cure. Him preaching fail because Babylon now released the cure this time. Him gonna spend an extending 83 days in the lockup right now, pre-trial. So listen, in a January, we are gonna find out what kind of faith Cure have if him are gonna be an international prisoner. I'm Rastafari soldier, ladies and gentlemen of Deep Road TV, reporting here live on international Grammy nominee star Siccature Alcock, a.k.a. Jah Cure. He is now detained for extended 83 days in the Netherlands at the lockup for the pre-trial. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a shocking turn of events. Cure, who spent over 8 years I think, in jail for the accusation of rape, have now been accused as attempting murder, attempted manslaughter, attempted aggravated assault. Ratted, me can't believe this happen again. Cure like say, you don't have no sense, brother. You fi call it down as a Rasta man. You fi try to maintain and overstand. Say, yo, goes around, comes around. Enough people have wished for your downfall. Whole heap of people are wait for you fi ball. Yaganti, when I go one man you can call upon right now, yourself. Cause you not even can call your daddy. You not even can call a lawyer too good. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to subscribe if you have not subscribed. I want you to leave your comment even if you have not subscribed. What you think I go on with Cure? A frightened Friday? Then you can go to jail and get bail after one wicked thing like rape. And you gone to Amsterdam before you burn and blaze some chalice in Amsterdam where the grades them high and legal. Unbelievable. Rasta man, enough you have a whole better meditation, my lord. Them your example here is not good example. Not for the little boys and girls of the world. You are going to, my condolences to the youth, Mr. Blake. We got assault and stab. I'm glad him never die. But I'm looking in and I'm asking you, Cure, one question. Why